Okay, today we are going to do input box. Um, Input. So first you have to go to chapter 3 input box to download it. And input box is going to display dialog box and retrieve user input. And there are two arguments. We'll take the prompts and title. So we are going to create a class 3 classwork input box solution input box project. Let's do it right now. So file, new, projects. I'm going to do a Windows Phone application. So mine is a little bit different from schools. So here, next, and I'm going to call this input box project. And I'm going to call this input box solution. Okay, so I created. Alright, so for this program, I need you to do this. I need you to have a input box at the form load. At the form load, that means when you open this program, doesn't have any code yet, at the form load. And I need you to have input box, and the input box right here say enter salesperson's name, and the title of this input box called name entry. Then when you run this program should say the salesperson name is the name you enter. So I need you to have a two label box. One is LBL name and put enter salesperson's name. Put salesperson's name inside there and label 2 just your name. Alright, so for this right now, we are going to start it. We are going to have a private variable. Is a class level variable. Is called string salesperson. And we're going to have an input box. So let's start it. Right here, I am going to first go to this form. Okay, this is the first time we do that. Okay, sorry, wrong form. And go to here, event, and the load event. Press enter at the form load event. Alright, once you are at the form load event here, before the form, press enter. Okay, now we are going to type option explicit on option streeted on option infer of. Alright, so we're going to have that. So once we have that, right now we're going to create a global variable. Is a class level, so have to put right here, and it's private because it's a class level. And we're going to call this string as salesperson name. Salesperson name. This one as string. Let me double check is the name I want you to put in. Salesperson, no name. Okay, let me go back. Okay, salesperson. Okay, so everybody, we got that right now. All right, so we're coming back here to the form load. All right, add the form load here, and we are going to put an input box, right? And the input box will put in the salesperson. So I type sales string salesperson, and will equal to type input box right now. If I type it, it appears, so I tab over, and I'm going to say enter salesperson's name, and I'm going to press comma, and here the title for this is called name entry, right? Alright, so I typed that, but there's no place for me to save. So I'm coming back to design form right now. And I'm going to have a two label. First label right here, big enough, but it shrink because I have to do what? I have to right here, auto size this label here. And we are going to go back to property of alphabetic order, and this one I'm going to call this LBL name. Okay, so call LBL name. Let me have my magnifying glass pop out. Okay, so it's called LBL name. Then on the text right here, go back to the text here, and I'm going to put right here, say the salesperson's name is colon. All right, then I'm coming to over here. I will make the auto size to be false, and I want the border style to be fixed single. If this is small, the font size small, I can make my font click here and to be bold, and maybe 222 larger. All right, so I have this right now, and I need to continue. Okay, so I'm coming back right here, my code right now. Go back to my code. So my code right now, I'm going to make the code into the my label name, but my label name already have a text right there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to concave this. I'm going to concave it. So here's what I'm going to do right now. I am going to say that my LBL name text actually equal to my original text. My original text right there is the salesperson's name, and I'm going to concave this one. I'm going to plus the name I enter. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to say LBL name dot txt and equal to this right now, LBL name dot txt, and it's going to end it. That means plus. Okay, then string salesperson's name, string salesperson. All right, so let's run this program right now. So I build it, and I start without debugging. So I enter my salesperson's name right here. I'm going to put my name. Okay, so it's come right here right now. All right, so we need to continue. Okay, so continue is sometimes I want to make my code to be clean and easy to read. Instead of this very long enter salesperson's name and name entry, I want to call this string prompt and string title. In order to do that, I have to make this to be constant variable. And once I change to constant variable right here, the code can change to be here. So let's try it right now. So right here, the same place here, I am going to say const str and prompt and as string. but they are equal to this right now. Enter salesperson's name. Okay, so let me copy these. All right, so let's do the second one. So I have a variable right here. I have another one, and it's called string and title, and they are also string, and they're equal to I'm going to put right here name entry. Okay, so once I do like that, I am going to change this one and to string pump. I'm going to change this one to string title. So this is make your code to be clean and easy to read right now. The first is prompt. That's a question you pose to the user. The second one will be title. So, and the program will be the same. And next we want to learn something is we're going to make this program to go to next line. And that is a we are going to learn and call control character. Control character. So I need to add a control character. So let's come right here right now. So at this code here, I say, before that, I need to have a, sorry. So I need to have a control. Let me see why it's like that. Okay, so I have this right now, and I am going to have a control character. So let me have a control character here. Say control. Yeah, this is keep on doesn't allow me to. Let me see. Control. Oh, I saw it. Control character. Okay, so we're going to do like that. Then I am going to put n and control character. Okay, right here. Okay, control character and the new line. Okay, but actually this has to be here, so I'm going to cut it. Okay, control X and control V. So that's actually here. Okay, so that means when I have my LBL name tags and I'm going to go to next line. All right, so these will press enter to next line. Let's run this program right now. So I'm going to build it and start with our name debugging. I still put my name. So the program this time is this. It was original. The salesperson's name is. That was in my tags. Then these will cause the program go to next line. And this is salesperson name I received from the input box. I complete this program. I hope you enjoy this video.